Hello, this is Andy Lamar with Pepperl+Fuchs, and this is our latest installment of Ask an Expert, where I sit down with a product expert and answer questions from our customers. And today I'm joined by Lou Szabo. Lou is our Business Development Manager for our HMI and Purge Solutions. So Lou, I want to thank you so much for joining us again. We have a couple questions here from customers, so let's go ahead and get started. This first question asks, regarding Division 2 KVM extender kits, we are HMI and hazardous area connection interface with PLC panels in the control room. We want KVM extenders on the Cat5 communication cable. Which KVM would you suggest? The distance is about 150 meters. So what do we have for them, Lou?
Thanks, Andy. That's a great question. So we have two KVMs that are suitable for Division 2. One uses VGA and PS2 connections, and the other uses DVI and USB connections. So the customer would have to supply that information. Additionally, since these are going to be in a hazardous area, Division 2, we also have barriers for the USB components to connect to the keyboard and the mouse. And additionally, we have displays that are Division 2 rated, including a touchscreen that could all be routed through that KVM.
Thanks, Lou. This next question asks, do you offer Class 1 Division 2 rated PCs to use with industrial monitors listed on this website?
So we offer panel monitors, and then we also offer monitors with an embedded PC or an embedded thin client or an embedded KVM to save space for the customer, particularly OEMs where panel space is always at a premium. So they have an option of a Atom-based processor, or they have an option of a Core 2 Duo based processor. Either can be had with Windows 7 or can be had with Windows XP for some of the older legacy systems. Available in 15 and 19 inch, and now available with 22 inch. The 15 and 19 inch are also available as a Division 2 and Zone 2 rated component for international type of OEM applications.
Okay, let's move on to our third question. And they ask, I'm interested in a VisuNet EX1. How do I get a data sheet? For my project, the VisuNet EX1 will be in Zone 1 ATEX, and it will work as a remote monitor, and I will communicate through Modbus TCP. So what do we have for them, Lou?
Well, the first thing I would do is go to www.visunet.com. Once I'm on that site, I have the option of building a system or selecting a product. So I'll go to the product category and pick Zone 1 based products. Once I've got the product selected, then I can go on that page. I will find application notes. I will also find data sheets. Tab on the data sheets, and then I can download the data sheet. We have a couple of different sizes there, so the customer can select the size that he wants to use for Zone 1 applications.
That's a great point, Lou. Also on visunet.com, we have literature, product photos, some new videos, as well as 360-degree photography that we recently placed on the site. This site has all the information you're going to need to learn more about our HMI solutions. So let's go on to our last question, and that's simply, what's new in Purge and HMI for Pepperl+Fuchs in 2014? So what do we have going on, Lou?
Okay, for the HMI product lines, we have now the 22-inch panel displays that include general purpose and Division 2, certified with either a PC, a thin client, or KVM options. We also have the Mark III version of the aseptic workstations for the pharmaceutical markets. This Mark III features a hingeless door that allows you full access to the back side of the door for better maintainability and cleanability in the pharmaceutical environment. And we also have the XT for oil and gas is fully certified for global use, and it features quick disconnects now that are certified for ATEX and ICEX. On the purge front, coming in June, we have the Type 5500 Type Z purge. This is unique in that it is a small stainless steel enclosure. It is fully automatic, one size vent fits all, and it has the ability to disconnect the power from the enclosure, so it saves you a couple $1,000s from having to engineer your own or move up to a type X purge in those Division II environments. And then finally, the 6000 purge has had all its certifications updated, so any OEMs that are looking to design either one of these two products into their offering, they function similarly in that they're fully automatic, simplified displays, simple LEDs, tell you the status of the purge cycles, but what it allows the OEM's customers to do is focus on what the product is supposed to do, as opposed to worrying about twiddling with the purge system. And that's it, Andy.
Wow, so it definitely sounds like you're busy, Lou, so I certainly appreciate you taking the time to stop in and answer these questions from our customers. And if you have a question, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or visit our website. Thanks again.